you quit me? Now I'm getting weaker day by day. I said, now, come here, baby, say one thing. I'm gonna tell you a story today. I met B.B. King. I was about 14 years old. I told him, Mr. B.B., your music thrilled my soul. Hey, hey, I met the king. Yeah, 21 more years. Don't you know? He said, come on in, Red, I'll give you a lesson or two. On Lucille, he said, pick up, I'm gonna show you the blues. I said, today, you know, that's the day I met him again. Then he told me, do this, Red. Showed me a little thing like this. Somebody said, Red, you ain't playing with no toy. Gibson, Lucille, strong guitar. I wish I